Harry?
Marv, you sure this is safe?
Oh, yeah. Yep, I've worked all the kinks out. She's solid as a rock.
Like a rock, huh, Marv?
Hey, did you guys give up? Have you had enough pain?
Never!
You better say every prayer you ever heard before, kid.
I hope your parents got you a tombstone for Christmas. Where'd he go?
I'm up here, and I'm really scared.
What's that sound?
That was the sound of a tool chest falling down the stairs.